Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to block all microphone access in your Samsung phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down, then go to security and privacy. After that scroll down again, then go to more privacy settings. After that go to permission manager. Now from here you have to find microphone, just scroll down and then you can get microphone, then just tap here. And that's it. Now from here you can check your microphone permission details. Here you can find the apps which have microphone access in your phone. You have to block your all microphone access from here. You have to select one by one apps. Suppose if I select it, then you have to just select don't allow from here and it's done. And that way you can block your all the microphone permission from here. You can also use a second method to block your all microphone access. You have to just go to controls and alerts option, and here you can find microphone access, then just tap here. Then you have to just tap on block from here, but I skipped this part. If you block your all microphone access in your phone, then it's harmful for your phone, and it's done. And that is how you can block all microphone access in your Samsung phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.